Whether you're working from home or gaming into the night, the right keyboard can make or break your experience. Yet, most of us settle for keyboards that lack comfort and precision. Have you ever been typing away only to realize your fingers are fatigued or your wrists are aching? It's a common issue with poorly designed keyboards. The average keyboard just doesn't cut it, with complaints about discomfort and inefficiency coming from nearly 75% of users. Ignoring these frustrations can lead to bigger issues. Prolonged use of an uncomfortable keyboard can result in wrist strain, reduced productivity, and let's face it, a lot of unnecessary frustration. Enter the Logitech MX Keys keyboard. Designed with precision and comfort in mind, it's the perfect solution for anyone who spends hours typing. It's a game changer that ensures every keystroke is crisp and effortless. One of its standout features is the perfect stroke design, which ensures every key press is smooth and accurate. This means less strain on your fingers and more fluidity in your typing. Another great feature is its smart illumination. The keyboard detects your hands and automatically adjusts the backlighting. This isn't just cool tech, it's a way to reduce eye strain and improve focus. Don't just take my word for it, users are raving about it. With a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on major review sites and testimonials highlighting comfort and efficiency, it's clear this keyboard is a fan favorite. If you're ready to upgrade your typing experience, head over to your nearest electronics store or online retailer to grab the Logitech MX Keys for just $179. Trust me, your hands will thank you.